Good morning, here I am. It's monsoon season, wind is blowing strongly from the north. Alright, and we are going out to fish. Alright. Today is quite special. We are going to try to catch fish to eat at this Korean restaurant in town. And hopefully we are successful, maybe with some fillets of barramundi or snapper. Let's see what we get today, man. So what do we all say? ONZZ, man. Let's take a look at our crew. And today we have Hokkien Pro, Melvin, and Johnny.
ONZZ!
Yeah, guys, let's get some fish for dinner, huh? Okay, let's go. What do we say?
ONZZ!
Yeah. Oh, Richard, this is a fighter. Let's see what fish this is. Oh, angzor, I think. Oh, hey, good, good. Wow, this is one, man. Oh, grunter, what do you say, boy? Yeah. Now season, huh? Now it's Johnny's turn, man. Oh, look at that, another grunter. Wow, they're around, man. Grunter, same one, bigger. Oh, okay, got 4 fillets already, huh?
Gamtan, we are coming.
Gamtan needs grunter. Oh, get more, man. Oh, what do you say? Yeah, man. Bro, you film me? I can't pick up the phone. Now Melvin is on to a grunter, I think. The grunter school is here. Oh yes, another one, nice one. Oh, good size. What do you say?
ONZZ!
Yeah. See this guy, the grunter school was around catching 1, 2. Then the third one came plom. Fish are very sensitive to sound, you see. So he doesn't believe that the school has run away. Okay, let's see what he catches. I bet you it's a cat. I bet you it's a catfish. Okay, net coming. Okay, slowly. One more grunter, please. Okay. Oh, hey, don't bring in. You caught a small grouper? Baby G. Okay.
Shock.
Melvin's. Oh, mango jack. Oh, wow. That's a rare one here. What do you say?
ONZZ!
Yeah.
No pepper.
Yeah, don't bang it, huh? It's the golden snapper. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look. Take a look at the fish. Oh, that's what we are for, man. Okay, let's get more, man. That's why, but you notice the angzor don't bite. But I got a nice ching. Oh, seagrass tusk fish. 100 pointer when it comes to fish taste. ONZZ, man. Melvin, another one. Oh, Desmond's favorite fish. But Desmond is not around today, so you represent him, is it? Now you are the Prince of Kachi. Oh man. So tonight we are going to have this because we just got a Barramundi. We're gonna eat at this Korean place called Gamtan in Telok Ayer. So I will fillet this. Richard caught a tiny grouper. He's gonna release it. Come, let's release fish number 6. Grouper number 6 released. The 6th release grouper. We kept a few medium sized one. Bro, why you release the groupers?
We want him to live a bit longer.
Why you want him to live
So
longer?
he can grow bigger.
Then what will you do when it grows bigger?
Then we'll catch it back again.
I say, man. So this is you put your chop on it first.
Yeah, then we say ONZZ!
Well, we had a decent day of fishing. You see, we are packing our fish. Tonight we are going to eat at a special place. Bro, see the fish? Alright, we'll be eating
The rest also take out, bro. We have to go home already.
Yeah, man. We've come to the end of the day. Tide is low, sun is setting. But we got some fish and I caught a barramundi for you.
Great.
Yeah, and some grunters. some snappers, groupers, and we are going to.
Gamtan.
Okay, that's in Telok Ayer. Okay, we are going to try to do our fish. See you there. Stay tuned. Where are we going? Gamtan. We are now at Telok Ayer. Wow. Fillet the fish. Let's see, Oh, see the place is called Gamtan. Woo. Let's go in. See how the fish goes. This is the boss, Mr. Kim. He started the fire. He's going to cook some pork and beef for us. And this is everyone. Hey, who is that?
안녕하세요. 감탄에 오신 걸 환영합니다.
This is wasabi. This is a fish roll. What salt is this, What salt is this?
England Maldon sauce.
Baldon salt from England.
This is Korean caviar.
Korean caviar.
X belly.
X belly. Wow. And the other one?
Flower belly.
Flower belly.
Like a flower.
Okay. Oh, like a flower. Wow, already. Oh, with a bit of caviar. Oh, beef rib on. Oh. Oishi, Wow, see the Hokkien Pro eat. So this is what we caught today. Just now I landed this parrotfish. I can put one fish. Okay. Oh, nicely done. Good. And this one. Okay. This is Barramundi. Actually, okay. Yeah. Salt. Oh, that's some salt. Okay. 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 Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, looks almost there. Whoa, see, look at that. Oh. Then you get a little bit of char. Bro, you eating the barramundi?
Very good. No smell.
No smell is very good. Oh.
Meat is on the sea, not on the farm.
Oh.
Maybe you ask the captain.
Yeah.
Olive oil.
Oh, olive oil. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that.
우리가 ONZZ
Have you tried the fish? Yeah. So, Mr. Kim, what do you say? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Seagrass tusk fish, 100 pointer, right? We are going to have this because we just got it from Monday.